In the world of custom motorcycles, few names resonate with the same prestige and artistry as A&J Cycles. Located just 30 minutes outside of New York City, this renowned workshop has built its reputation on crafting bespoke Triumph motorcycles that blend elegance, power, and craftsmanship into rolling works of art. Their latest creation, a restyled Triumph Scrambler 1200 XE, perfectly captures that spirit, a motorcycle that's as smooth and chic as the finest cigar. Commissioned by Cigars.com, this special build was designed as a giveaway machine, meant to embody both practicality and sophistication. The Triumph Scrambler 1200 XE, known for its impeccable performance and rugged charm, served as the perfect foundation. A&J Cycles didn't alter the heart of the machine, leaving the factory's high-quality brakes, suspension, and parallel twin engine untouched. Instead, they focused their artistry on elevating the visual appeal and refining the Scrambler's classic style into something truly unforgettable. The first thing to catch the eye is the striking new LED headlight, complete with a yellow-tinted lens that adds a vintage yet luxurious touch. Mounted using the stock hardware, the headlight pairs beautifully with a custom high-mounted front fender that gives the bike a more aggressive stance. New fork guards, a bespoke radiator cover, and sturdy crash bars complete the front end's transformation, ensuring both function and form are balanced perfectly. Moving along the sides, the 1200cc parallel twin engine now wears Cigars.com badges, proudly marking the collaboration between luxury lifestyle and mechanical excellence. At the rear, subtle changes create a cleaner, more refined aesthetic. The rear fender remains largely stock, but now houses a sleek LED taillight from British Customs, along with a neater license plate bracket for a minimalist look. However, the true showstopper of this build is the handcrafted brown leather saddle. Created by leather artisan Ryan Fisher, the seat's rich texture and warm tones pay homage to fine tobacco craftsmanship. Its deep brown hue, supple finish, and perfect stitching reflect the same attention to detail found in a premium cigar. This detail alone transforms the Scrambler into a statement piece, blending classic masculinity with luxury flair. At the cockpit, the modifications are subtle but effective. Renthal grips offer superior comfort and control, while CRG bar end mirrors enhance visibility and add a dash of modern style. The fuel tank is finished with a brass filler cap from Motone, adding a touch of vintage class, and the rear wheel is now driven by a gold chain and super light sprockets that provide both aesthetic appeal and improved performance. Performance remains true to Triumph's legacy, but the Bridgestone Adventure Cross AX41 dual-purpose tires give the bike a slightly off-road ready attitude, making it as capable on trails as it is on urban streets. The exhaust system has undergone one of the most elegant transformations of the entire project. Gone are the chunky factory twin silencers. In their place are sleek, handmade /cut exhaust tips that bring a raw edge to the bike's personality. While compact and stylish, they still retain internal baffling to keep the bike road legal while delivering a deep, throaty growl. The final touch lies in the paintwork, a captivating blend of glossy and matte black finishes, accentuated by gold highlights. The Cigars.com logo elegantly graces the sides of the tank, tying the entire build together in a harmonious balance of luxury and performance. A&J Cycles has once again proven that customization is an art form. This Triumph Scrambler 1200 XE isn't just a motorcycle, it's a symbol of style, craftsmanship, and individuality. It represents the meeting of two worlds, the precision of British engineering and the refined elegance of the cigar lifestyle. Smooth, powerful, and irresistibly classy, this Scrambler stands as a modern icon of sophistication on two wheels.